Hello. It's time to check on these Euros. It's time to give them some fresh bedding so they'll have a better environment. So let's see what's going on. Cover sheet. Got some food scraps over here. They're eating the bananas and the paper and stuff. I'm going to give them some bedding on this left side over here. So let me take care of that. I'm going to take these out of here and put them into another tote. Lots of worms on this side as well. Castings are wet, but that's all right. They will dry out when I harvest them. I'm going to be putting the bigger pieces back in that I can see for now from the tote that the worms are going into. The holding container. There's their paper. And they're nice sized Euros, and they haven't even been fed any worm chow, so they're nice and thick as well. So I'm still happy with my fat wormies. But let's take this out of here. Popsicle stick right there. I don't know how many worms I have in this bin, but here goes the red wiggles that I placed into the holding container. I will pick out as many as I can by hand, and I will let these dry out so I can sift through these. But let me give them some bedding. So what I'm going to do is give them the egg carton on the bottom. Some cardboard, let me change it. I'll put the cardboard on the bottom, the sheet that I'm just breaking up. There they go, to set that there. I'm going to put some previous shredded up cardboard inside. Then I'm going to give them a couple of sheets of newspaper. They have some fresh bedding now. It definitely will make this bin a lot lighter because the castings get really heavy. So if you're getting a lot of castings, make sure you lift properly to save your back. But now it's time to go ahead and get the other Europeans out of their previous castings, the ones I can, and place them back into this worm bin and restart the cycle over. So that's about it for now. Give this video a like, subscribe to my channel if you like what you're hearing from me. I want to take time out to say thank you so much for watching, and you have a great day. Bye.